Ituro mo yung mga kangkong natin.
Lasang tubig.
Hello guys, ito sila ng kangkong
O, kangkong and
leaves.
leaves. Pechay leaves. Dun. Turo mo pa yung iba natin. Dali. Turo mo pa. O. Sabi mo, guys. Dali.
Hello guys, ito ng kangkong with more leaves.
And more leaves. Yon. Pechay. This is pechay.
And ng petay leaves.
Ayun po ang pechay natin. Dali, turo mo. O, asan ang pechay leaves natin? Ayan.
Over here.
Over here. Okay.
And we get more baby leaves over here. And it's really pretty to eat them.
Oo, ayan. Okay. Alin pa. Turo mo pa.
And more here.
Oh.
And three of them is really cool and yummy to cook up them.
Okay.
And that big one.
And the big one?
And somebody going to eat that
Langka.
langka.
Langka. Saan?
Going to eat that langka.
Okay.